Third class science, sixth lesson parts of a plant lesson nunchi. Previous class we learned leaf. Okay, shoot system we learn. Shoot part lo mana stem we learn already stem, and next leaves or leaf we learn. Today we are going to learn flower, fruits and seeds parts gurinchi telusukundam. ఓకేనా, షూట్ సిస్టమ్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. షూట్ సిస్టంలో మీకు స్టెమ్, లీఫ్, ఫ్రూట్స్, బ్రాంచెస్, దీస్ ఆర్ ది షూట్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, షూట్ పార్ట్లో టుడే వి విల్ డిస్కస్ ఫ్లవర్ పార్ట్. FLOWER. You know already flower spelling says flower. FLOWER, flower. Yes, the flower is most beautiful part. Yes, flower is most beautiful part of a plant. Most beautiful part of a plant. Yes, see the flowers, children. You know some flowers. You know flowers names. Here see rose, sunflower and bougainvillea. These are the some flowers here given pictures: rose, sunflower, bougainvillea. Okay, flowers make plants look beautiful. Flowers are the very beautiful part of the plant. You can see the flowers. Yes, remember their names. Try to look for them in your garden. Look at the garden, your garden, and which flowers are there you can see and observe flowers and flowers names. Okay, do you know that most flowers grow into fruits? Yes, most of the flowers grow into fruits. Yes, that is why a farmer feels happy when he sees flower on his mango trees. He knows that these flowers will turn into fruits. You can see the mango tree, children. Mango tree. Yes, mango first mango ki flowers వస్తుంది కదా. You know mango flower పూత అంటాం కదా, మామిడి చెట్టు పూత పూసింది అంటాం కదా, mango flower. This flower is turns into fruit, mango fruit. Yes, this flower is first trees grow the flowers, birds flowers, that flower is turned into fruit. Yes, you know children, here see children, it is a flower is turns into fruits. For example, mango fruit. Okay, it is a flower turns into fruit. Another example, you know guava, children? Yes, first it is a flower. Guava is a first flower. This flower is turns into guava fruit. Yes, most of the flowers are turns into fruits. Flower is a most beautiful part of a plant. Mango tree, guava tree, and next pomegranate tree. These plants are the first grow the flower, that flower is turns into fruit. Okay, can you understand children? Yes, flowers, we can see the mango tree, and when he sees flowers on his mango tree, first we can see the flower, mango flower, and after these flowers are turned into fruits. Okay, here see children, here given one picture. Yes, it is a flower grows into a fruit, and a flower is turns, and flower ela marutundi, fruit ga change avutundi. Yes, a flower grows into a fruit. Okay children, can you understand flower part? It is a flower part. Flower is a most beautiful part of our plant, and flower means it turns into fruits. First trees grows the bird, flowers, the flowers are turns into fruit. Okay children, can you understand? Flowers grows fruits. Next, fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. Fruits have a seeds. Yes, children, fruits have a seeds. Seeds are the inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds. These seeds are the most of the inside them. Okay. Some fruits have one seed. Some fruits have one seed. Okay. For example, mango. For example, mango fruit. It is a one seed fruit. Okay. And some fruits are the so many seeds. Some fruits are the so many seeds. For example, papaya and watermelon. These are the so many seeds are inside of the fruit. So many seeds. Okay. Some fruits are few seeds. Some fruits are few seeds. Means like oranges. Okay. Okay. Can you understand fruits and seeds? Here see. Fruits have a seeds inside them. Some fruits have a one seed. For example, mango. Some have a few seeds. Example of oranges. And some seeds have, while others so many seeds are there. Yes, some fruits are there, so many seeds are there. For examples, papaya and watermelon. Okay, these are the fruits and seeds. Some fruits are the only one seed fruit, and some are the so many seeds are there inside of the fruit. Okay, these are the fruits and seeds. You know, flower is the most important part of the plant. This flower is turns into fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have a one seed. Some fruits have a few seeds. Some fruits are a so many seeds inside them. Okay. For examples of one seed fruit, mango. Some examples of few seeds of fruit, oranges. For example of so many seeds of fruit, papaya and watermelon. Okay, children, can you understand? Next one, most plants grow from seeds. Most of the plants grow from seeds. As most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. Do you know what is protected inside the seed? How to protect the seed inside seed? How to protect seed? Here see, there is a baby plant and its food inside the seed of the mother plant. When the seed gets enough air, water and warmth means here given, here light of the sun. Okay, and the baby plant starts growing. It grows till it is a fully grown plant, and banana seeds are the do not grow into a new plant. Lopala, inside of the fruit you have a fully baby plant are growing. That plant, that here says children, it is a fruit. Yes, inside of the fruit have a one seed. This seed is fully grown upon a baby plant. Yes, when the seed gets enough air, water, warmth, and this seed is not inside of the no air, no water and no warmth. Okay, no water, no air tagalakunda, enough of the air and it's grow. Yes, the baby plant start growing. It grows till a fully grown plant. Baga plant grow ayin tarvata, this fruit totally grow ayin tarvata ee part ni seed part ni we can eat fruit after it comes out of the seed. The seed is planted in soil. It's grow another plant. Yes, and but banana plants are the banana seeds are the do not grow ante do not planted these seeds. Okay, some seeds are the we can planted means oranges, lemon, mango. These seeds are the we can planted in soil. Yes, these seeds are the grow another new plant. Okay children, these are the shoot part, flowers, fruits and seeds. Can you understand children? Flowers, you know flowers, so many flowers are there, rose, sunflower, bougainvillea. Okay, these are the flowers. You know flowers are the turns into fruit. Fruits and seeds. Fruits are the so many different types of fruits are there, different types of fruits are there, different seeds are also there. Some fruits have a one seed, some fruits are the few seeds, some fruits are the so many seeds. Okay, next, so most of the plants grow from the seeds. Okay, here see children, let us say it again. Here see children, some few points are there here, total lesson points. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. You know already parts of a plant. Plants have either tap roots and fiber. These are the two types of roots, tap root and fibrous root. The root fixes the plant in the soil. Yes, the root fix the soil and they take in water and salts from the soil. The roots are the absorb the water, salts and soil from the soil. These are the roots are absorb the water and send to carry the branches, stem, flowers, and the stem supports the branches. The leaf makes food from the plant. The flower grows into the fruit. The fruit has seeds inside it. Total the lesson points. Okay children. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss tick the correct option, match the following. Okay children, thank you.